In this video, we bring to you a charming, brand new container home with a swimming pool surrounded by a tropical forest. Welcome back. This unique and contemporary container home offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and tropical charm of Costa Rica. Situated on a 360 square meter lot and taking the environment into careful consideration, this home was built with low impact on its surroundings. The house is built using 4 40-foot shipping containers stacked 2 on 2 and stitched together to create a 2-story luxurious home with 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, 1,000 square feet of habitable space with incredible attention to detail both inside and out. A well-crafted front door opens into a large and versatile open concept floor plan that's perfect for entertaining. The home is finished to high quality standards with loads of natural light and low maintenance features. A high ceilinged living area facing the magnificent view with extensive decking offers outdoor living and is nicely furnished with comfortable sofas for kicking back, a flat screen TV, a custom coffee table, and beautiful pieces of art. The living room leads directly onto an outdoor deck through the large sliding glass doors. Plenty of natural light streaming in through the windows and the doors makes the living room a perfect spot to enjoy lounging throughout the day. From the living area is a fully loaded kitchen with new top-of-the-line appliances, a washing machine, enough storage cabinets, and a generous kitchen island which offers a perfect spot for entertaining. The kitchen also has a small laptop working space for digital nomads with beautiful indoor decors. Adjacent to the kitchen is a half bathroom for easy access to the guests. The house adopts a multifunctional design which allows spaces to be used for more than one function. This is depending upon the activity and the number of family or friends who come to stay. From the double vaulted ceiling found in the living room is a floating wooden staircase that leads you to the second level of the house, where you find the first room in the mezzanine style layout, allowing for large windows on the back of the house to flood the room with natural light. The mezzanine is fitted with luxurious mattress for optimal comfort, high quality linens, and a portable closet. Next to this room is a shared sparkling bathroom equipped with a gorgeous shower, double vanities with storage, a large mirror, and well-finished bathroom space. The second bedroom features a cozy bed illuminated by natural light from the large glass windows and offers breathtaking views to wake up to every morning, with a sitting area, a TV for your entertainment, and lots of comfort. The interior walls were drywalled and painted in bright white to make the indoor spaces look bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. The large windows bring light to the house and can be opened to catch cross breezes for natural cooling and ventilation with this charming tropical climate. From outside, it is impossible to tell this modern home in a tropical forest is built with shipping containers. The exterior is finished with teak wood facade that brings a little bit of nature to the modern aesthetic. It also brings an organic, sustainable touch to the whole home, which is a wonderful contrast. At the front of the house and in the beautiful forest is a swimming pool with a wooden deck and coverings in the foreground. The natural wood deck is a perfect spot from which to fully appreciate the stunning vistas or a nice meeting place, providing an equally good atmosphere under the canopy of the beautiful forest. The large array of windows on the front facade is the cornerstone of modern style and gives this home a futuristic look. This beautiful house in the forest is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning to build one, feel free to visit our website sheltermode.com to learn more about building your own container home. You can get yourself a set of blueprints for your dream house, or if you have any questions, feel free to write us an email using info@sheltermode.com. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.